What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here, bringing to you a video on Amazon publishing, self-publishing, and we're gonna find a keyword that is profitable on video. Wow. So let's get it on. We're gonna go on Amazon. We're gonna find a keyword that'll make you money. And I'm an idiot, so I'm gonna share it with the world. Because I can. Because it's so easy to find easy looking keywords to make money off of. So, let's think of an idea. Religion. Religious books. Let's pick a religion. Islam. Islamic books for kids. It auto-populated. Must be popular for people to buy. Okay. These are all illustrated as they are children's books. So you can't get away with doing a text-only book here, but that's okay. Let's look at the rankings for the paperbacks. First one is the story of the Holy Prophet Muhammad. Alright, Ramadan's classics for 30 stories for 30 nights for those book reading sessions. Fire! Absolute fire. Good start, only 12 reviews, sells like fire. Alright, looks very promising. Who is Allah? Muslim books for children. Look how this publisher has the keyword in their subtitle. Wow, so obvious. Okay, another very well-selling book. Huh, I thought keywords were so hard to find. Gosh, this is so easy. Let's look at another one. Okay. I'm an idiot. I don't know where masjid is. I'm just not gonna figure that out. Okay. Sells very well. Let's keep going just to prove a point here. Good night stories from the Quran. This one's a little bit more pricey. Let's see how this $14 hardcover sells. Very well, actually. Very well. And to look through it, let's go look at one more. The little girl says, Alhamdulillah. No. Okay. Let's look. Still sells considerably well. This sells about one copy a day. And it was published 2 years ago, almost. For $9.99 retail. Not bad. Goes to show, ladies and gentlemen, sometimes the keyword is just handed to you. You just have to be resourceful and use a little common sense. So, Daddy, Jacob, I can't find the keyword. Oh, it's fucking there, dude. It's fucking there. So, try a little bit harder. Come up with some more ideas. Just play around with the search engine. Most of the time, the profitable keyword will auto-populate. So for this particular keyword, if you wanted to get into it, well, number one, you would need a good illustrator because these are all illustrated children's books. So that's why I'm willing to share this keyword and not keep it for myself. I am not going to publish on this one because I work with text only. And if I were to do a text only book and try to fool people into buying my book as a children's title with no illustrations, it would get instantly 1-starred by the world. So if you want to do this, go for it. Just find yourself an illustrator on. Oh. Wait, you can learn how to do all this through my self-publishing blueprint. Check out the link below to the course that taught me how to be profitable and even find keywords, somewhat, on Amazon. My self-publishingblueprint.com will teach you all the mechanics, all the tricks, all the tips that you need to not only self-publish a book, but going through the whole process of having a good quality book made, along with having it reviewed and ranked on the first page of results. Granted, you have to be able to beat existing competition, but my self-publishing blueprint will show you how to do that. So, that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Bye.